So as you're going, let's go ahead and take it straight front. I think this will help you be square. So come here, so boom, chasse straight front, boom, ensemble. Yeah, be careful of being here, right? Now, what's happening is you're going like that, and then you're landing there. That's why you're stepping. Ooh, that was better. No. Yeah. So I don't have a lot of Achilles. One of my issues was trying to get more plie, so, right? But the second I did that, man, I'm off balance. I'm not turned out. I don't have my placement. You've got to trust what you have. You've got to use what you have well. So nice, right? That bounce and go. Yeah. Ah! That was better. So there's a delay. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
You're going to land and then go. It's going to go and right away. I know. It's really common to go here and then like, right? Like usually about half in this area. Ooh, that was a better lead in. You're going here. So just do a single, and stay nice and tall. Single, boom. That was better. So we're back to our old friend, my friend, right? We're back to our friend of where we were at bar, right? Yeah. So it's literally going.
They're usually a lot better.
Hey, it's okay. It's part of the process, man. Improvement doesn't go like this. Yep. So just don't try not to get stewed up in that, right? Yeah.